Do you want to be a doctor? Are you wondering if you can be a millionaire working as a doctor? Sure, you can. There are many doctors around the world who have made a great fortune in the profession. Explore the highest paid doctors in the world. The stress of being a medical personnel takes a huge heavy force as you are required to offer the best of your services to society. Most medical schools in the world are 4-year programs. However, some offer joint undergraduate and medical school for 6 to 7 years. Students must pass the medical college admission tests and submit a very good application to the required school. Admission into medical schools is very competitive as they require the testing of knowledge and special skills. So, in this video, we will discuss about the top 10 highest paid doctors. 10. Anesthesiology. Anesthesiology are the doctors responsible for keeping patients pain-free, sedated, or unconscious during surgical procedures. The important job comes with a high earning potential, $261,730 according to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, through salaries for specialists like urologists and dermatologists overshadow that of anesthesiologists in other publications. Though not surgeons themselves, anesthesiologists work primarily with patients undergoing surgery. They prepare the patients for diagnostic procedures and operations that would be painful or uncomfortable by administering anesthetics. Pain relief medications. During surgery, anesthesiologists observe the patient's pulse, blood pressure, breathing, body temperature, and other vital signs for any signs of pain or stress and adjust pain medications accordingly. 9. Emergency medicine physician. Emergency medicine is what it sounds like, the specialty that focuses on caring for and stabilizing patients during medical emergencies. Forbes lists the annual base salary for specialists in the field of emergency medicine as $345,000. Medscape put the salary somewhat lower, at $306,000 per year, but within its ranking of the top 10 highest paying specialties. In a medical emergencies, doctors have to act fast. Making the wrong decision would endanger the patient's life or leave them with permanent disabilities, but so would waiting too long to take action. 8. Plastic/reconstructive surgery. Dermatologists may do some cosmetic procedures, but plastic surgeons are the physicians who devote their careers to medical aesthetics and reconstruction. Salary.com reports annual earning of $393,073 for plastic surgeons. Earning for plastic surgeons have increased consistently over the past 10 years. Plastic surgeons may work on virtually any visual body part, for the appearance of the skin to the shape of the torso, breasts, and limbs, and even external reproductive structures, while the goal of cosmetic surgery is often to enhance the aesthetical appearance of the body. Some plastic surgery procedures are reconstructive, intended to repair damage done by an injury, congenital defects, or disease that affects function as well as appearance. Plastic surgeons typically use skin grafts, implants, liposuction techniques, tissue transfer, and other methods to achieve the appearance improvements desired by their patients. 7. Dermatology. As the largest organ of the body, it's no wonder skin gets its own specialist. Forbes lists a base annual salary of $412,000 for dermatologists, while Medscape reports earnings of $339,000. Dermatologists diagnose and treat skin disorders of all kinds, from acne to cancer. They may perform routine skin examinations to screen for signs of melanoma or other forms of skin cancer, tracking any changes in the appearance or locations of moles. They may perform diagnostic tests like biopsies or unusual skin conditions and changes. Dermatologists treat skin allergies, infections, eczema, and other conditions. Many dermatologists also perform cosmetic procedures, ranging from laser surgery and excisions of unwanted skin conditions and markings to liposuction, chemical peels, and injections of dermal fillers like Botox. 6. Urology. Urologists make an annual base salary of $412,000. Forbes reported Medscape ranked the specialty lower on the list, with earnings of just $344,000 per year. But even on the list, urology still made the top 10. Urology is the medical specialty that focuses on the health of the urinary tract of both genders and the reproductive system of male patients. Several organs and structures fall under the domain of urologists, including the bladder, kidney, prostate, and urethra, as well as male genitals. 5. Radiology. Radiology is the use of nuclear radiation for medical purposes, ranging from diagnostic tests to radiation treatments. Radiologists earn an average of $414,090. Salary.com reported radiologists work in hospitals and other healthcare settings. Diagnostic radiologists read and interpret diagnostic imaging tests such as X-rays, ultrasounds, computed tomography, CT scans, magnetic resonance imaging MRIs. Radiologists may have served international roles, such as taking part in image-guided therapy and administering radiation to cancer patients. Radiologists often specialize in imaging different regions of the body, like chest and cardiac images, abdominal imaging, and performing mammograms to screen for breast cancer. 4. Gastroenterology. Reporting a base salary of $455,000 per year, Forbes statistics rank gastroenterology the fourth highest paying specialty in medicine. Medscape also rated the specialty equally highly. Though it listed annual earnings of $370,000, gastroenterologists treat disorders that occur in every part of the digestive system, from the esophagus through the stomach and even the bowels, and including organs like the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and others within the abdominal cavity. These specialists play a role in preventing and diagnosing cancers of the digestive organs, including esophageal and colon cancer. Gastroenterologists perform minimally invasive procedures and diagnostic tests like endoscopies, which allows doctors to see inside the gastrointestinal organs. 3. Orthopedic surgery. Orthopedic surgeons earn a base salary of $497,000 per year. According to Forbes, other sources cite different earnings to this specialty, but it consistently ranks high on the list. For example, Medscape and CBS News listed the average wages of orthopedic surgeons as $421,000, but ranked the field as the top-paying specialty in medicine. Treating the musculoskeletal system means working on the spine, extremities, and related structures. Orthopedic surgeons treat patients who suffered injuries in a trauma, congenital from birth, conditions, infections, cancer, degenerative, progressive diseases. Even within the specialty of orthopedic surgery, there are numerous subspecialties. Some orthopedic surgeons work exclusively on procedures on the hand or foot and ankle. 2. Invasive cardiology. If you don't mind the pressure of holding a patient's heart in your hands, then this top-paying field of invasive cardiology might be the right medical specialty for you to pursue. Forbes reported that doctors who practice invasive cardiology earn an average base salary of $525,000 per year. If you're interested in heart health, but not necessarily the high-stress invasive aspect of the specialty, cardiology more generally is still a rewarding choice. CBS News rated the specialty of cardiology second highest, bringing in $376,000 annually for patient care. Cardiologists specialize in heart health. They assess heart function and cardiovascular health through blood flow, blood pressure, and other health indicators. 1. Neurosurgeon. Neurosurgery is the highest paid specialty in the medical profession, with patients suffering from brain-related illness or injury. Neurosurgeons must have experience and expertise with the brain, spine, spinal cord, and nervous system. Neurosurgeons can specialize in adult or infant and child treatment. Neurosurgeons will perform back surgery, remove tumors, care of brain and spine infections and injury, treat strokes and degenerative disease, diagnose and treat chronic pain, seizures and epilepsy, interpret radiological studies. Salary.com reports neurosurgery as the top-paid specialty in the medical field with an annual salary of $609,201. Neurosurgery impacts the life of patients because the nervous system affects all areas of the body. Though the training is extensive, a neurosurgeon provides a significant contribution to medical field. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.